This is the quick start guide for the Excel Skills Sales Commission template. This template enables users to calculate sales commission for up to 5 levels of sales agents. Let's start with the setup sheet. So on the setup sheet, you can specify your business name, which is just used as a heading on all the sheets. And then you can enter sales percentages for 2 codes, an A and a B code. We also provide for a 0 sales percentage with an E code on the agent's sheet. So let's go to the agent sheet. So on the agent sheet, you create a sales or agent code for each agent, enter agent name, specify a tax code to calculate the correct sales tax percentage, and then you link each agent to a COM2 code. So that's also an agent code that's created in column A, but it's the agent code of the agent that's directly above that particular agent in the marketing structure. So it's the agent directly above. So you also, for sales to each agent, need to enter commission 1 percentage, commission 2 percentage, commission 3, commission 4, and commission 5 percentages. So that's specified for each agent. That the columns with yellow column headings are the user input columns. So the light blue columns are automatically determined based on formulas and are extended as you enter data in the table. So the COM3 code will be determined based on the COM2 code, and the COM4 code will be determined based on the COM3 code, and the COM5 code based on the COM4 code. If there are any error codes in terms of the input, those will be shown in column M. So this agent sheet basically defines your marketing structure in terms of all the multiple levels by linking each agent code in column A to an agent directly above that particular agent, and that code is specified in column D. So let's go to the sales sheet. On the sales sheet, all your sales transactions need to be included. All the columns with yellow column headings require user input, and the light blue columns are calculated. So in the user input columns, you include an invoice number, invoice date, which can be entered according to your regional date settings, customer name or code, a description, which can be anything, a tax inclusive amount, and then a tax code. So the tax code will determine whether sales tax is deducted from the tax inclusive amount before calculating commissions. And then column G, the important one, linking each sales entry to an agent. So from column H, it's all calculated automatically. So the exclusive sales amount is determined. Then the COM1 code is determined based on the agent code in column G. And then COM1 amount is calculated. The COM2 code determined based on the the agent code in basically COM1 code in column G, and so forth. So COM2 code with a COM2 percentage and a COM2 amount, COM3 code, COM3 percentage, COM3 amount, COM4 code, COM4 percentage and COM4 amount, COM5 code, COM5 percentage and a COM5 amount. There is a total commission of all the levels, and then we also show the total commission percentage. So it's on the sales sheet where all commissions are therefore calculated. So let's go to the commission sheet. So the commission sheet is fully automated. You can enter from and to dates at the top of the sheet if you only want to run the report for a particular month or even any other date range like a week or a few days or whatever. Everything else is calculated, so your agent code is displayed in column A with the agent name in column B, the appropriate sales tax code, and then the commissions calculated on COM 1 to 5 levels with a total, and then sales tax added if appropriate, to give you an inclusive total. So this commission report is basically what can be used to have a payment summary for a month or week or whatever by just entering the appropriate dates at the top of the sheet. So we included 30 lines for 30 agents. If you have more, you just drag down this fill handle in the bottom right corner for the appropriate number of additional rows. And that's basically it. So if you need further guidance on the template, please go to our detailed instruction sheet where we cover everything in a lot more detail. And you can visit our support section of our YouTube channel where we post videos based on user feedback.